Okay.
Pre, pawak na ako.
Hi guys. Hello guys. Good afternoon. Ayan. Punta na po kami ng Manila. Narinig niyo ba ako guys? Hello, shoutout kay Jane Barrios, kay Angeline Benitez. Hello Ate Daisy, kumusta ka po?
Morning dear guests, it's our pleasure to welcome you on board Air Asia Flight D220 to Manila. To expedite our boarding process, may we ask all guests to immediately take your assigned seat as shown in your boarding pass and give way to other guests walking through the aisle. We are here to ensure your safety and comfort during the flight. We kindly ask that you assist us by observing high standards of personal hygiene. Face masks must be worn at all times and hands must be washed or sanitized frequently. If you are experiencing symptoms such as fever, cough, and shortness of breath, kindly identify yourself to the cabin crew immediately. We are here to help.
Nag-lunch na ba kayo? Kasi ako hindi
Rows
pa.
1 to 5, 12 and 14 are reserved for hot seat guests only. Kindly be seated according to the seat numbers reflected on your boarding pass. We strongly discourage unauthorized changing of seat due to the aircraft's weight and balance, restrictions and sensitivities for large
Request
carry-on
naman Idol
baggage,
Closer you and
such as
FMG
your
na po
trolley bags
dito.
must be
Meron
placed
na
in
po
the
ako
overhead
niyan. Check nyo na lang po sa
compartment, and your
YouTube.
small carry-on items such as your laptop cases and handbags are to be placed under the seat in front of you.
Thank you po.
For safe use of electronic devices from batteries which are subject to a formal product recall are prohibited from being checked or cabin baggage from all
Guys,
Air
quick
Asia
live lang
flights.
tayo.
Thank you for your attention and
We still have a
cooperation.
lot of space naman po for your bags. You can get your bag right after you take off.
Yan, tapos na ang aking bakasyon dito sa Boracay. I had so much fun.
Sorry mga maya-maya. Pwede naman kumain ma, pero as of now po, even the smallest bag, kailangan po sa bag.
Sa Siargao naman sunod. Next month, pasok ka na naman. Balik eskwela na naman po ang iyong lingkod. Okay lang ako. Tapos na mag-enroll ang anak ko. That's nice, Ate Daisy.
Or if kasha dun yun. So yung maliit naman po sa seat pocket na lang. Sa likod po yun.
Huwag ka mag-alala, Ate Daisy. Magkikita rin tayo soon. And shout out sa aking 630 viewers. Ayan, mag-iingat po kayo palagi. And ayun, huwag niyo pabayaan ang sarili niyo. I-enjoy niyo lang yung life. Maya-maya lang po ay i-end ko na tong live. Ayan. Gusto ko lang po kayong kumustahin lahat.
Alien is don't hesitate to call on our cabin. Good morning, we appreciate you. Once again, welcome aboard.
Once again, this is Air Asia Flight D2220 to Manila. Welcome passenger, kindly the aircraft as ready for departure.
Kaya mag-alala guys, dahil pag uwi pa ng Bicol, magbabalik, cover na naman po ako. Ayun. Comment nyo lang guys yung mga request songs nyo. Ayun, i-try kong i-cover para sa inyo.
7 through armor doors and posture.
And shoutout sa inyo lahat. Sana okay lang kayo dyan. Thank you so much. Hi best, thank you so much. Kasunod kita naman ng kita naman ma-travel. Adumang kita sa Siargao. So ayan guys, gusto ko happy lang kayo palagi. And gusto ko healthy kayo and ayun. Enjoy nyo lang yung life.
Thank you. Open your exit only when the aircraft comes so complete.
Ayun, mag-travel din kayo para, you know, para ma-release yung stress nyo.
Please review the information and descriptive this following your seatbelt.
Grabe, antok na ako.
Thank you.
Shout out kay
Once
James
again, before this dear
Sanglay.
guest,
Shout out. Oo nga lumindol nga raw. Pero
welcome aboard Air Asia.
Di naman-
Thanks for your support. We are
di
still
naman
the world's
lumindol
best
dito.
low-cost airline for the 12th year running.
thank you so much. So ayun guys, babay na po muna. Yung mga hindi pa nagla-lunch, mag-lunch na. Okay. Goodbye
Thanks for your
guys. I
support.
love you so
We are
much.
still the
Thank you
world's
sa
best
support.
low-cost airline for the 12th year
And
running.
stay
Sit back,
tuned
relax,
sa
and enjoy
aking
the flight.
mga
This is
susunod
flight Z2220 to
na
Manila.
cover and adventure.
We would like to
Bye,
extend a
guys.
warm
Love you
welcome
all.
to members of our air